Thinking of joining the Nextdoor app? It's supposed to connect you with your neighbors, keep you in the loop on local news, and maybe even help you find lost pets or sell stuff. But is it actually useful or just another source of neighborhood drama? Let's take a quick look. But a quick disclaimer, everything in this review is based on public information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Nextdoor is basically a social network for your neighborhood. In theory, it's great for things like local updates, event announcements, or community safety alerts. But if you check Trustpilot, it's not all sunshine. Lots of one-star reviews mention toxic behavior, biased moderation, and non-stop ads. Over on Reddit, users are split. Some love it for local tips and lost and found posts, while others say it's full of complaints, political rants, and nosy neighbors stirring up drama. Is the Nextdoor app worth it in 2025? It depends. If you're looking for neighborhood updates and don't mind filtering out the noise, it can be handy. But if you're easily annoyed by petty posts or online arguments, maybe skip it. Tried the Nextdoor app? Love it or hate it? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest app reviews and no fluff breakdowns.